to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Iyana, and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you will not miss NT videos from me. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, you guys, so I wanted to do this video for a minute now. It's called, I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but basically what I'm gonna say right now, natural hair starter kit, things you must have and will need when you become natural. These are just the natural hair starter tools that you will need. I didn't put any products on this list because I'm gonna do a separate video, but yep, so these are just the tools, the little starter tools that you really need when you become natural. If I miss any, feel free to drop them in the comment section, guys, because I feel like the list that I feel like I touched on everything, but if I forget something, please drop it in the comment section because I be forgetting stuff. Right, and this is not in any order of importance or what you need to have first, so they just all in whatever order I had thought of it. So the first thing that you need when you become natural, your first thing is you need a spray bottle. I remember when I first went natural, I had my small little spray bottle. I don't have that one no more. This is a spray bottle I have now. I love this one from Joyful Bee. You can find these ones anywhere, but it's like the aerosol spray bottle, and it's like a mist. I love this spray bottle, y'all. Any spray bottle should work. If it's a mist one, if it's just a regular spray bottle, any spray bottle should be fine. I just love that mist one, y'all. Like, I don't know what it is. I just love the mist one. So you will need a spray bottle when you are natural, because you don't want to have to be dipping your head in the sink or be trying to get some water in your hands and put it on your hair. You already have a spray bottle. Spray that thing real quick and go ahead and style your hair so you don't have to do all this extra stuff. So you will and you need a spray bottle. The second thing / third is that you will need, and you will need to have this for a good reason. You need a silk or satin bonnet or a silk or satin scarf. So I have both. Let me get both. I should have brought both out here. All right, you guys. So this is the bonnet I have. I actually got this from Ringold Ivy. I think that's how you pronounce it. I got this off of their site. I think it's either a satin or a silk bonnet, but this is my bonnet. I've been had it for a minute. And then I got my little scarf, my little square scarf. Got this from the beauty supply store, so I have both. You want to make sure you have something on your head that is silk or satin to protect your hair at night, because if you're laying on a cotton pillowcase and you just freshly moisturize your hair and it was so juicy and you laying on that pillowcase, the pillowcase is just sucking all the moisture out of your hair that you just put time into putting into your hair. You need a scarf or a bonnet, whichever one, but I got both because sometimes I'll be wanting to wear my scarf. Or just a little extra, if you don't want to wear that on your head or whatever the case may be, it might fall off your head, because I know I used to be a heavy sleeper. You want to have a silk or satin pillowcase. So that's another option if you have trouble with keeping like a scarf on your head or a bonnet on your head at night. Silk pillowcase should be the trick. If you not doing that, your hair gonna be bone dry. All right, another thing, which could be optional, you don't really have to have it, but then at the same time, it will be making your life a lot easier. You need to have some alligator clip. Can't even talk. You need to have some alligator clips or some scrunchies. Why I say or scrunchies is because I had alligator. I can't even say alligator. When I had alligator clips, my hair, I don't know if I put too much hair in a clip or my hair just thick, but she done broke like all of them. So I'm just like, I don't know if I want to get any more. If you are interested in getting alligator clips to keep your hair sectioned off or whatever you need to have it for, I usually use them to make sure I section my hair off, because I work with my hair in sections, so that either being styling it, washing it, detangling it. I always work with my hair in sections, so that's why I recommend like alligator clips or scrunchies. I'm using scrunchies. I'm back to using scrunchies. I've been doing that before I got alligator clips, and I'm doing it after. Whatever one works best for you. I think alligator clips are cute and, you know, cool. They really secure your hair in place. You definitely need alligator clips or scrunchies to make sure you have your hair sectioned off, so you don't have to be worrying about it falling over while you're still trying to do whatever. It's already secured, sectioned off for you, so you don't have to worry about that. So must have. Another thing that you need when you become natural, if you transition in freshly natural, whatever the case may be, you need a deep conditioning cap. This is from Joyful Bee as well. This is the one that you could just pop in the microwave for a few seconds, plop it on your head, and warm up your deep conditioner on your head. This is fast, but then at the same time, I like that a hooded dryer can like really stay warm, if that makes sense. It stays hot while you're sitting under the dryer for the amount of time you need to sit under the dryer. So you can either get like a those clear shower caps. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The clear shower caps, you can put that on your head after you finish deep conditioning and then sit under the heated dryer. Or you could get a deep conditioning cap, which you could put in the microwave, and then you can have it on your head while you do whatever. But I like to sit under the hooded dryer. That's just me personally. If you're not deep conditioning your hair every time, like I say in my videos, we're gonna have to talk, because you need to deep condition your hair every time you wash it. So that is another thing you need when you become natural, is making sure you have a shower cap for you to deep condition under the hooded dryer, or a deep conditioning cap, which you can just plop in the microwave real quick, plop it on your head, and you're good to go. All right, so another thing you must and need to have when you are natural, or when you're freshly natural, whatever the case may be, is a microfiber towel. I didn't have this when I first went natural. I was using a t-shirt. I know some people still use like a t-shirt to get most of the moisture out of their hair after they're done washing their hair. Since I have a microfiber towel now, I use a microfiber towel. You want to have a microfiber towel because the little loops that's on a regular towel is so tiny. It's like the fabric that's in the towel, the little loops. Your hair can get caught in that, and then you have breakage and stuff like that. So you want to have a microfiber towel because it's like a lot smoother on your hair. Excess water out of your hair. So that is a must-have. You can either get it off of Amazon, or if there are any other sites out here. I'm pretty sure a lot of hair brands sell microfiber towels now, but back in the day when I first went natural, I just was using a t-shirt to get most of the moisture out of my hair. Usually after I wash my hair in the sink, I still use the towel because I'm not completely done with my wash day. I don't know if that's a good thing. You might not want to do that, but usually I use a regular towel after I shampoo and rinse my conditioner out in the deep conditioner. And once I'm done deep conditioning and I rinse that out, then I get my microfiber towel to make sure I don't like completely dry out my hair. There's still a little moisture in it. But yeah, you will need a microfiber towel to make sure your hair is not getting breakage when you're using a regular towel, and also to make sure it's safely getting most of the moisture out of your hair. All right, so this is the next thing that's really my favorite, because you guys know it's my favorite thing to do, is you want to have a wide tooth comb when you are detangling your hair. If you don't like to use wide tooth combs, then you can have a dimming brush, but make sure that dimming brush is top notch and not ripping your hair out. I like to use, my comb is a little dirty, but I like to use my wide tooth comb when I detangle my hair. I like this one the most though, because it's like the teeth are closer at the end, and it's like it gets like gradually a little wider towards the base of the comb. It's easy for me to get to the roots and stuff like that. So that's why I like this comb. But there's other types of wide tooth combs. I know when I first went natural, I started using a I think it's called the shower wide tooth comb, or a shower comb or something. That one was okay when I first started going natural, but then I was like, it wouldn't get to my roots how I wanted it to get to my roots, and then my roots ended up getting matted. So if you want to experiment with different wide tooth combs, you can. Or if you don't really like using combs, you can use dimming brush. I know when I had first went natural, I started using like the regular dimming brush where you take the combs out to modify it and have like 4 rows in there. It's okay, but I'm a comb girl. I like my combs. You will need a wide tooth comb. That's probably gonna be the first thing you will pick up when you become natural, is like you need a wide tooth comb or slash a Denman brush, but you will need that big time. All right, so another thing that you will need when you become natural is, I feel like this is probably optional, but then at the same time you do need to do this, is you need trimming scissors. So I know a lot of people don't like to trim their hair for some reason. I don't know why. Over here on this channel, we like to have healthy long natural hair, not damaged long natural hair. You want to be part of this healthy hair club, you need to make sure you have some trimming scissors. The reason you need to have trimming scissors is because, one, natural hair, you will get knots. That was me at the very beginning of my natural hair journey. Now I know how to make sure I don't get to that point where I need to cut the knot out. But if you're freshly starting out being natural, you need to have trimming scissors just in case, I don't know, stuff happens in this world. You might have a knot one day on your hair and you really can't get it out. You're gonna have to just cut that little strand off, okay? So make sure you have trimming scissors. I don't know what it is, but it feels weird when somebody uses like regular cutting scissors for trimming scissors. I'm just like, I don't know. Even though they're both scissors, I just feel weird if you're using like some craft scissors to cut your hair. So have some dedicated scissors for your hair, aka trimming scissors. Just in case if you have a single strand knot you need to cut out, don't rip it out, because I do that sometimes. I just, since it's just on one strand, I just try and take it off. But don't do that. Use trimming scissors to do that. Also, if you ever need to trim your hair one day, you need to go ahead to I have a trimming video on my channel, so go look at that video. But you know, twist it up, cut the ends, or however you feel comfortable trimming your hair. But trimming your hair is a good thing, y'all. Like, if it's damaged already, it's not gonna be one day magically repaired. You need to trim that end off, or whatever the case may be. So trimming scissors is a must-have in your natural hair life. When you start in your natural hair journey, whatever, you need to have trimming scissors. I'm big on deep conditioning and trimming. That's me. So another thing, this is optional. You don't really have to have this, because I have it, but I don't really use it as much as I used to when I first started going natural, is a scalp massaging brush. I have this one from Joyful Bee. This is like a, I don't want to say, yeah, this is like a manual one that you will have to use. I used to have a shampoo brush from Vanity Planet. It was a purple one, and you put batteries in it and it will start vibrating for your hair to like zzz, like that. I used to have that one, but this is just a manual one right here. These are optional. You really don't have to have this, but if you want to be extra and you want to treat yourself, this would be nice to have for your scalp. These are good for stimulating hair growth on your scalp, stimulating the blood to your scalp, things like that. I really like to use these if I'm feeling like I want to be pampered one day and I just want my scalp to feel like, you don't really have to use this on like a shampoo type of day. You can use this right, I can use this right now. Like if I want to massage my scalp right now, I can use it right now. So it's not really dedicated to shampooing and then using this. But like I said, this is optional. You can find these on, I'm pretty sure you can find these anywhere now, but back in the day I got mine from vanityplanet.com. Scalp massaging shampoo brush, optional. All right, and these last two don't really cater to me, but if you are interested in washing your hair in the shower, these are for you. All right, so this one is a shower mirror. If you are into washing your hair in the shower, I'm not big into that because it's too much for me with the water in my face. I can't do all that. So if you are into that, make sure you have a shower mirror so you can see what you're doing while you're in the shower washing your hair. If you can't see what you're doing and you're just feeling, it's kind of like, I don't know, it just makes me feel extra stressed. Like I can't see what I'm doing. So make sure you have a mirror in your shower. I'm pretty sure you can get that off of Amazon, a little shower mirror to stick on your wall in your shower. It's not really a must-have unless you do wash your hair in the shower. If you do wash your hair in the shower, then it's a must-have. All right, and the final thing you must have in need, I don't know what it's technically called, but you know those drain catchers, like when the hair goes down the drain and it stops the hair from going like in the drain. I think that's called a drain catcher. I might be wrong, but you need those, especially if you wash your hair in the shower or if you wash your hair in the sink. If you wash your hair in the sink and you wash it all out, then I definitely recommend you get that and put it in your sink. But with me, I don't wash my hair when it's all out. I will twist it up, shampoo my scalp and stuff, so the shared hair can't really come out my hair if I'm washing it that way. If you do wash your hair in a sink all out or in the shower, I do recommend you getting a drain catcher. I don't know if that's the right word, but getting a drain catcher Like I said, if you wash your hair in a twist, then you should be fine. The shit hair is not really coming out of your hair at that moment. But definitely get a drain catcher, because those, your sink slash shower will be stocked up if your hair just going down there. So definitely look into getting that. I'm pretty sure they sell that at the retail store like Walmart, Kroger's, or you can go on Amazon if you like to shop online. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little natural hair starter kit, things you cannot live without when you become natural. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I missed anything in this video, definitely comment it down below. Will be helpful for everybody who is transitioning to being natural or just started being natural. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, so go ahead and do that. Don't forget, you're beautiful, you're strong, you the best music, and I will see you guys in my next one.